In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your online store's browsing experience by setting up product filters. Filters can significantly improve how your customers navigate your shop, helping them find exactly what they're searching for quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your editor. Once you're there, decide whether you want to set up filters on your main shop page or a specific category page that showcases your products. This flexibility allows you to target the item listings where filters will be most beneficial for your customers' shopping experience. Next, you'll need to locate the product gallery element. It's essentially where your products are displayed on the page. Once you have that, go ahead and click on the settings icon. This action will open a section where you can modify and control different elements of your product presentation, which is exactly where we want to be. Now direct your attention to the Filters tab. Here, we're going to make some essential changes that will transform how users engage with your product listings. You'll see an option labeled Filters. Simply select the checkbox beside it. Checking this box ensures that these filters will be visible to customers visiting your live site, providing a streamlined approach to product searching. What's great about this area of the editor is the flexibility it offers. You have the choice to employ the default filters such as category, price, and product options. These basic filters cover a lot of ground and can be particularly helpful if you're just getting started with your online store. However, if your product range requires more nuanced searching capabilities, you also have the option to expand these filtering possibilities. You can do this by clicking on plus Create Custom Filter. This feature allows you to add more specific options like brand or color, depending on how you have categorized your products. It's a wonderful way to cater directly to your audience's preferences or behaviors. Once you've set up your filters to your satisfaction, the final and crucial step is to publish your site. By doing this, you make these filter options available to everyone visiting your store, enhancing their experience and potentially increasing your sales as a result. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create an intuitive browsing experience for your customers. By following these steps, you can ensure that your online store isn't just functional, but also user-friendly, making it easier for your customers to find what they are looking for and, in turn, increasing your chances of making a sale. Thanks for watching, and happy